Genecode. Genecode was created by ARDRETTA Jones, a member of Missouri's Science and Technology Association. Genecode is a depiction of DNA art, DNA testing, and DNA storytelling. The concept of Genecode is to decode biology by way of symmetry, to show what we call hits or codes found in the DNA shared by two people. Genecode was established in 2023 by A. Finney Koo and brought to you by A to Z Publications. It is a way to depict biological genes and historical actions and events. Genecode can show mannerisms, personalities, characteristics shared amongst family members. A. Finney Koo is a social science community. Its vision is to bring old school to new school, where the arts meet the sciences. A. Finney Koo offers a wide variety of social science outlets and avenues. This includes documentaries, music productions, videos, photography, and other social science health publications. The purpose is to address the entire human being. Genecode is a way to show shared DNA between two people. Genecode is also a form of art. Genecode can deaden history. It can show where you derive from and can also prove DNA. Genecode art can tell stories about history. I have created a monster. Genecode photos, arts, and testing. Genecode uses biological coding to show hits on genes that are present in two different people. Using the cloned system, it shows where these hits can be seen. Observing symmetry. Genecode requires symmetry. Genecode testing, bone structure, laugh lines, wrinkles. Genecode can determine DNA is shared visibly. The arrows depict where these hits can be found using gene code symmetry. By decoding the actual genes and structures of two different individuals. At any point in the photo, the individuals will be locked. But once the photo is locked at any angle, then we begin to decode where there are visible symmetry between each photo. Gene code is a way to observe biology. Photos can be at any angle, but at which point the photos are locked into one and they meet, then visible symmetry can be shown. This is how we decode in gene code. So it has very little to do with eye color or what we consider race or color of a person's skin, but more about the bone structure and mannerism of the individual and the tone of an individual in gene code. Proving DNA is typically used through what we call DNA decoding, where strands of a DNA is then compared to another strand of a human DNA. And looking at the strands, they can visibly see that these strands have the same codes. Gene code does this by visually observing biology and seeing these strands in the photo itself. Now, archaeologists will use bone structure to show where a person has derived from or their geographical migration, origin of an individual by using the skull and the skeleton and the bone structure of an individual. And gene code does this to prove DNA with humans that are alive or have passed on. Thank you for learning about gene code. A Finiku. A to Z. In the Missouri University Science and Technology Association. Gene code, biology.